Hello everyone, this is part 3 of our K2 Base Camp Trek packing series. In the past we talked about the day pack and we talked about the porter bag. Today we're going to talk about what clothes I'm going to be wearing on the trek and also what I'm going to leave behind in Skardu. What I've decided is to lighten the load. I will wear a short sleeve t-shirt and quick dry trousers, sunglasses. I'll have a hand cleaner with me, and I'll wear my hiking boots, which are Timberland. They've broken in fairly well over the past week hiking in Islamabad, the hills up here. So I'll wear this up to Skardu, and then I'll leave the clothes behind for the return trip to Islamabad. The blue bag that you saw yesterday, the North Face bag, what I did was I emptied it out and I'd use a case like this to pack all my stuff in transit, because otherwise the blue bag stands out and somebody may break into it or whatnot. So what I've done is I've taken all the contents out. As you can see, these sleeves that I was talking about, I put them all in there. The blue bag is on the bottom, and then I'll leave this bag behind in Skardu with my spare set of clothes for the return back to Islamabad. The rest of the team arrives tomorrow, and we look forward to going to Skardu on Tuesday to start the trek on Wednesday. We appreciate your support to the channel, and we'll continue to update you as we go along on this adventure. Thank you for your support.